today I wanted to show you my garlic antiviral potion. It is a syrup. It is great for cold and flu prevention. Makes your breath really strong, but as you know, garlic is very strong anyway. It's a very strong antibiotic, antibacterial, and it helps a host of other things. This syrup I made just a few days ago, and I go into details of how to make it on my free report when you sign up on my website, herbaltreatmentremedies.com. Sign up for my email, and I will send you the herbal report telling you how to make this this wonderful antiviral syrup. It's good for kids as long as they're over the age of at least 1 year of age. My boys, even though it's very strong, they don't seem to taste the garlic. It also has honey and apple cider vinegar, and they seem to mostly just taste the honey. It is at least half honey. What I did was I filled it with garlic, cloves of garlic, covered with apple cider raw apple cider vinegar with the mother. I use Bragg's brand, and then after 5 days of checking and gently shaking, I strained the garlic out and added raw local honey to it, and it makes a wonderfully potent antiviral, antibacterial remedy for the cold and flu season. It's especially good for prevention when you feel something coming on. It's also good for coughs. It's excellent for coughs, to help using it as an expectorant to help loosen coughs, and it helps you get through your cold or flu much more quickly. It's best to catch your cold and flu before it really grabs a hold of you for best results with herbs. Until next time, and subscribe to my channel here, and don't forget to sign up for my email on my website at herbaltreatmentremedies.com. Till next time, see ya.